Hello everyone, let me present you TimeSpread. TimeSpread is an event scheduling app which contains all your events including class, club meetings, club events and placement drives and reminders too. So first let's get started with app and we will continue later. So here as you can see you can sign up or log in. By clicking on sign up you have to fill some important details like your roll number. Roll number will be your unique key, so no one can register with the same roll number again. I am right now filling in random roll number and a name. Later we will also bring some major UIs like here next button on typing passwords, you don't have to close your keyboards again and again, and on clicking finish your account will be ready. So here you can see there are 6 major sections of this app: daily schedule, class schedule, events, mass menu, work schedule, placement drives. Placement drive will be visible only to 4th year students, not to 3rd, 2nd or 1st year students. You can manage your profile by clicking on view profile, but that's not workable right now. Also you can navigate to anywhere by clicking on this navigation bar, which is disabled for right now and nothing is working in app for now. So in daily schedule there will be your all the classes, your clubs meeting, club events and placement drive, and match schedule and bus schedule. If you are keeping reminder for something like if you have to catch bus at 6 p.m., you can fix a reminder just by clicking that bus time, which will be added later on. Classes timings will be on the basis of what you will fill on the beginning of app, which will be add later. You can choose your specific courses and only that course will be visible there. Same goes for the events. You can choose your favorite club or the club you are interested in, and events regarding to that club or meeting will be visible on in your daily schedule and nothing else. You can change your clubs courses later on. You can select your favorite match food if possible, so it will be added there. And placement type, there will be few things like pointer, minimum pointer required, the CTC and the job description. And also we are thinking to collaborate with placement cell, and user can directly register from here and also update his resume according to the company. And one more thing, the events will be filled by event coordinator, so there will be another interface for event coordinator from which he will handle all the stuff. So this was it. You can log out and you can log in again with the same username. Username is not case sensitive, but the password is. For now password is numeric, so this was it. And for the backend is made with Node.js and MongoDB. We are using MLabs for hosting our MongoDB as it provides 500 MB free data. And Node.js we are using Express framework for handling our all the routes, and Passport for handling our authentication and register and sign up. And that's all for right now.